Hello everyone. Today we'll be solving a box on TryHackMe called Brooklyn Nine-Nine. So let's get started. So we are starting off with an nmap scan to detect all the open ports and services in the box. And while the scan is going on, we can check to see if there is an HTTP server running on the box. So as you can see, there is just a photo and some text is written over here. So whenever we are on a website, there are some things which we can always check for. We can always check for cookies. We can also check the source of the page to see if there are any comments left by the developer. So as we can see, have you ever heard of steganography? So I'm guessing that this image has some data hidden in it which we can extract. So I'll just save this image. Okay, we also have the results of our scan back. As you can see that port 21 is open with FTP, port 22 is open running the service SSH, and port 80 is open with the server which we were just using. As you can see that port 21 has anonymous FTP login allowed. So we'll just go and take a look at what files are present there. The syntax is pretty simple. We just write FTP and then the IP address of the box which we have to connect to. For anonymous login, you just type in your name as anonymous and press enter for the password. Sorry. Okay, I'll have to start it again. Enter for password, and then we can use the command dir or ls, whichever you prefer. Dir has a more windows touch to it. So we have a file named note to Jake. We can get this file using the get command. And we have nothing else, so we'll just exit and we'll read the contents of that file. So here we have a clue that the password is very weak. Now getting back to the file which we obtained, the image, we'll use TagHide. We will try to use TagHide to see if there is any hidden data in the file. The format is TagHide, extract. SF stands for source file which we want to extract, and the name of the file was Brooklyn. And we don't know any passphrase yet, so we'll just try with enter. So as we can see that it requires a password and we don't know it. So what we can do is we can brute force the password, or we can try some common passwords, whichever you prefer. So there is an app called StegCracker. The whole purpose of that app is to extract any content written in it. So we'll run it. StegCracker, and then the file name. The file name is Brooklyn Nine-Nine. And then we have to specify the dictionary which we want to use. So I'll be using Rocku. It's starting. Hopefully we'll be able to crack the password. So now we can read the content of the file. And we have holds password. So now we can directly SSH into the box to see what's on it. I'll just copy and paste the password. So now that we are on the box, we'll first check which directory we are in. Here we have the user.txt file which contains the user flag. You can just cat the file out using the command cat user.txt, which I won't be doing. So if you're following along, you can just cat it out now. Now to escalate our privileges to the root account, we can use an enumeration script like linpiz or linenum, or we can look for some active cron jobs which we can exploit. or we can check what files this user can run as sudo, or any binaries which have SUID or GUID bit set. Apparently the easiest of these is checking the sudo permissions which we have, which will be achieved by typing sudo tackl. So as we can see that nano can be run without any password. So whenever you have a situation like this, you should always go to GTFO bins and see if they have any exploit for the service. So as we can see that nano has a sudo exploit. Okay, so we'll try to achieve this. Sudo nano control R control X, and we have command execution in nano. Now we have to type in the last line. My mistake, sorry. And there you have it. We are now root. UID 0, GID 0. So now we can just head to the root directory and cat out the root file. Sorry, my bad. So we'll just see if the file is here, and we have the root.txt file here, which you can simply cat out, which I won't be doing. So if you're following along, you can just cat out the root file. So there you have it, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment whatever doubts you have, or any other video which I should make, or some techniques which I should explain. Thank you. Have a good day.